Hello children, in this video we will do question answer. So here is the question answer of chapter 1, very short answer type questions. Why did European trading companies came to India? So you have to write down the answer. The European trading companies came to India for trade. Where did Portuguese company establish trading center in India? This answer is in page number 2. Here is the answer. The heading Portuguese in India, and the answer is the Portuguese traders established trading centers at Calicut, Goa, Daman, Diu and Hooghly. This is the second very short answer. Now question 3. Which gold coin was floated by Dutch in India? So this answer is in page number 3. Here is the answer. The Dutch introduced gold coins as currency in India known as pagoda. Next is, which Governor General adopted subsidiary alliance? So answer is Lord Wellesley. Governor General Lord Wellesley adopted subsidiary alliance. Now next, 2 reasons of British success in India. This answer is in page number 13. So first is the policy of divide and rule, and the second is the social and political condition of India were also instrumental in the success of the British company. Now the very short type answers. Elaborate the trade works of Dutch company in India. This answer is in page number 2 and 3. So this answer you have to write down from here. The Dutch were residents here to here, and again start from here. Dutch established trading houses to next page. Here gold coins pagoda tak. Now next question is, what were the reasons of rivalry between European trading companies? This answer is in page number 1. You have to start this answer from here. After the establishment से लेकर के यहाँ them तक. This is the second answer, short type second answer. Now next, write the terms of subsidiary alliance. This answer is in page number 11 and 12. So you have to start this answer from here, from the page number 11. The following were the salient features of the subsidiary alliance. To the next page, up to here, the working of the state. यहाँ तक आपको लिखना है. This short answer number 3. Now long answer type questions. Causes of Carnatic wars. This answer is in page number 5. So you have to start this answer from here. The Carnatic war and their result. British यहाँ से लेकर के to the next page up to here companies. ये आपका answer number first है long type. Now next question is causes of Battle of Plassey. This answer is in page number 8. So student, the heading Battle of Plassey, you have to start from here with the signing of treaty. यहाँ से लेकर के defeated and killed by Miran, son of Mir Jafar यहाँ तक. This is the answer number 2, long answer type 2. Now next is write the terms of Allahabad Treaty. So this answer is in page number 9. The Treaty of Allahabad, and the English signed a treaty with the Nawab of Awadh and Allahabad in August 1765. Under the treaty 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 terms you have to write down from here, Treaty of Allahabad to here. Last point. Next question is explain the doctrine of lapse policy of Lord Dalhousie. This answer is in page number 12. You can see this answer, Lord Dalhousie doctrine of lapse. From here to here, this full paragraph you have to write down in the long answer. This answer, long answer type 4. Next and last question is causes of British success in politics and trades. So this answer is in page number 12 and 13. So students, this answer you have to start from here. After the success in Carnatic wars, यहाँ से लेकर के आपको सेकेंड लाइन में ये कंपनी तक लिखना है. And then फिर again you have to start from here. British company not only removed French, यहाँ से लेकर के hands तक. Then go to next page and from here a phase of political disintegration, यहाँ से लेकर के to pay with its success, यहाँ तक. ये है आंसर नंबर 5, लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप 5. So students, you have to complete your fair copy. Before starting the exercise, you have to paste a picture of the British power of India. Any picture you have to paste. At first, on the top, you have to write down the lesson number, then the title of the lesson and date. Then you have to paste a picture, the British power in India. After this, you have to write down the difficult word meaning and then do exercise of chapter 1.